In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Microsoft OneNote account. Signing in to OneNote allows you to access your notebooks from anywhere, sync your notes across devices, and keep everything securely stored in the cloud. Whether you're using OneNote for school, work, or personal organization, logging in is the first step to unlocking its full potential. To begin, open the OneNote application on your computer or launch it through your web browser. Once the app opens, look for the Sign In button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. You will now be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Type in your email address associated with your Microsoft account, then click Next. After that, enter your password carefully and click Sign In. Make sure your details are correct to avoid any login errors. If you're using a personal device, you may choose to stay signed in so you don't have to enter your credentials each time. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you can easily create one by selecting the option to sign up. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Then return to OneNote and log in using your new credentials. Once you're signed in, OneNote will begin syncing your existing notebooks automatically. If this is your first time logging in, you can create a new notebook and start organizing your notes right away. You'll also be able to access your notebooks from other devices, such as your phone or another computer, as long as you're signed in with the same account. If you experience any issues while logging in, double-check your internet connection and make sure your email and password are entered correctly. You can also reset your password if needed by following the recovery options on the sign-in page. And that's it. You now know how to log in to your Microsoft OneNote account and start accessing your notes anytime, anywhere. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.